इस सीज़न ना हमने बड़े-बड़े अच्छे खिलाड़ी देखे हैं।
Standout player, rather the uncapped Indian in this season of the IPL, you'll have to go with.
For me, the find of the season has to be
CSK needed power. They needed someone from out of the entire pool of players that were already bought.
देखिए इस सीज़न ना हमने बड़े-बड़े अच्छे खिलाड़ी देखे हैं और मुझे लगता है कि इस सीज़न जो थोड़ी कंसिस्टेंसी भी दिखाई है और थोड़ी क्लास भी दिखाई है वो है प्रियांश आर्या। मैं उनको चुनना चाहूँगा कि इस सीज़न सबसे युवा बल्लेबाज जिसने दिल को बहुत ज़्यादा जीता है वो है प्रियांश आर्या। इसलिए क्योंकि देखिए एक तो निडर बल्लेबाजी है और कंसिस्टेंसी भी है और ऐसा नहीं है कि एक मैच में रन बनाए और उसके बाद काफ़ी मैच जो है वो रन नहीं आए। तो वो रनों का सिलसिला जो है ना वो लगातार चलता ला रहा है और मुझे लगता है कंसिस्टेंसी जो है ना वही आपको बाकियों से बेहतर बनाती है। जैसे विराट कोहली को हम विराट कोहली क्यों कहते हैं? क्योंकि विराट कोहली एक ऐसे खिलाड़ी हैं जो बहुत ज़्यादा कंसिस्टेंट है और लगातार हर साल बेहतर प्रदर्शन करते रहे हैं।
Standout player, rather the uncapped Indian in this season of the IPL, you'll have to go with Vaibhav Suryavanshi, right? Because a 14-year-old kid just taking the world by a storm, he was outstanding. And he's also allowing everyone else to actually dream that ये भी किया जा सकता है. If you have that kind of talent, this is your munch. यहाँ पे आइए, यहाँ पे आप अच्छा करेंगे तो पूरा विश्व थम जाएगा, आपको देखेगा. So Vaibhav Suryavanshi for me.
For me, the find of the season has to be Priyansh Arya. He's got a sublime timing. He lets the ball come to him. He loves to play both sides of the wicket, can play the vertical, horizontal bat shots, and seems to have a very good composure and temperament. So for all those factors, it has to be Priyansh Arya for me.
The most promising player, according to me, I know there are multiple picks and you could choose anyone, not be wrong, but I'm going to go with Ayush Matre. And for this particular reason, CSK needed power. They needed someone from out of the entire pool of players that were already bought. And they found one. They found an uncut gem in Ayush Matre. The way in which he played against RCB, the way he had starts. CSK's scoring rates changed massively after he was inducted into the CSK setup. So I feel he is one for the future. He's got great cricketing skills and I feel he's only going to get better from here on. So good of CSK to get him and I can't wait for him to open with Ruturaj Gaikwad next year.